On January 24th, I, together with my family members, plus our lovely volunteer Loic, decided to go to Mabamba Bay wetlands to watch the shoebill. This is how the journey started. It took us at least 4 hours to reach the wetland. So we went to see the shoebill and it was really interesting. Please travel with us. Let's walk together and see the shoebill. Near the wetland, there is a lodge called Mabamba Lodge, as you can see that poster. But after the Mabamba Lodge, there is also a small distance before you arrive to the wetland. It was an interesting journey to take with all the loved ones, plus our lovely volunteer. Please travel with us. You're welcome. So today I came to visit the Mabamba Swamp. I came with Loic to see the different birds. And this is an eco-tourism site, the Mabamba Bay, best known for the shoebill. So this is where we are. This is where we are. So many people have come to visit the site. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is one of the places you should consider coming to visit. So this is how this looks like. Place well known for the shoebill, the park shoebill. Busi Island in Tebe. This is how it is. The Mabamba Bay Eco-Tourism site. Welcome to Mabamba. It is an important bird area. Some of the birds here are the blue swallow, the shoebill, papyrus, gonolek, statunga, and this is how it looks like. Where we are. We've been traveling for over 4 hours from home, that is Wakiso. And here we are. There is some community crafts here, and these are the offices. So at the swamp there are offices. At Mabamba Bay Eco-Tourism site there are offices, and this is what is there. There is guidance to make your trip to Mabamba memorable. Visitors are encouraged to use a site guide and register before boarding a boat. Appropriate time for canoe rides is between 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. A maximum of 5 boats is allowed in the wetland. No smoking or setting fire in the wetland. Hunting and tracking of wildlife is prohibited. Stopping or routing for visitors must be avoided. Do not litter. So that is what is there. And the mighty shoebill is here. Then there is the Kabaka, Uganda, and our lovely president, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So this is what is here in our office at Mabamba Bay Ecotourism site. You're welcome. So when you come, be prepared to get some t-shirts. There is a t-shirt with a shoebill. Yeah, you need to come and buy me one. Yes, there is a t-shirt with the bird, the shoebill. There are different colors. So how much is it? $20 each t-shirt. Yeah, there is protective gear here. And this is our office is. And we have the attendant who is here. And yeah, so this is our lovely office at Mabamba Bay Tourism Site. Yeah, we had to come with Mama Gloria. Where is Gloria? Where is Gloria? In the car. Oh, Gloria will not go touring. Ooh.